ഇന്നിവിടെ പറയുന്നത് CSEB എക്സാമിനും PSCയുടെ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് എക്സാമിനും സ്ഥിരമായി ചോദിച്ചു വരുന്നുള്ള ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയ കുറേ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ഇയർ ആണ്. എല്ലാവരും ഇത് നന്നായി ബൈഹാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ഇതെല്ലാം എക്സാമിന് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. പിന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. പിന്നെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരെല്ലാം സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ദിവസം വിടുന്ന ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായി കിട്ടുകയുള്ളൂ. Question number 1. Bank of Venice formed in Answer 1157. Bank of Venice formed in 1157. Question number 2. Reserve Bank of Sweden formed in Answer 1656. Question number 3. Bank of England formed in Answer 1694. Bank of England formed in 1694. Question number 4. Fenwick Weavers Cooperative Society started in the year. Answer 1761. Fenwick Weavers Cooperative Society started in the year 1761. Question number 5. The Silesia Landschaft started in the year. ഇത് ഫസ്റ്റ് ലാൻഡ് മോർഗേജ് ബാങ്ക് ഇൻ വേൾഡ് ആണ്. ആൻസർ 1769. Question number 6. Bank of Hindustan formed in Answer 1770. The Bank of Hindustan formed in 1770. Question number 7. Birth of Robert Owen. Answer 14th May 1771. Birth of Robert Owen 14th May 1771. Question number 8. Dr. William King was born. Answer 1786. Dr. William King was born. Answer 1786. Question number 9. Friendly Societies Act. Answer 1793. Friendly Societies Act 1793. Question number 10. Robert Owen take over Lou Lanark Mill. Answer 1800. Question number 11. Berthold Schulz. Answer 1809. Berthold Schulz. Answer 1809. Question number 12. Berthold Refusson. Answer 1880. Berthold Refusson 1880. Question number 13. Oriental Life Insurance Company started. Answer 1880. Oriental Life Insurance Company started 1880. Question number 14. Robert Owen started cooperative colony. New Harmony started by. Answer 1826. Robert Owen started cooperative colony. New Harmony started by 1826. Question number 15. William King started cooperative journal Cooperator. Started in the year. Answer 1st May 1828. William King started cooperative journal Cooperator. Started in the year. The 1st May 1828. Question number 16. Labor exchange started in the year. Answer 1832. Labor exchange started in the year. Answer 1832. Question number 17. Hungary 40s. Answer 8040. Hungary 40s 8040. Question number 18. Rochdale Equitable Society formed. Answer 21st December 1844. Rochdale Equitable Society formed 21st December 1844. Question number 19. Schulz organized Friendly Society. Answer 1849. Schulz organized Friendly Society 1849. Question number 20. Rafison started Society for Farmers. Answer 1849. Rafison started Society for Farmers. Answer 1849. Question number 21. Industrial Provident Societies Act in England. Answer 1852. Industrial Provident Societies Act in England. Answer 1852. Question number 22. Schulz started societies. Answer 1852. Schulz started societies 1852. Question number 23. Principles of Cooperative Banking written by Schulz in the year. Answer 1856. Principles of Cooperative Banking written by Schulz. Answer 1856. Question number 24. Indian Penal Code. Answer 1860. Indian Penal Code. Answer 1860. Question number 25. Society Registration Act. Answer 1860. Society Registration Act 1860. Question number 26. Rafison started Cooperative Society. Answer 1862. Rafison started Cooperative Society 1862. Question number 27. Cooperative wholesale stores started in the year. Answer 1863. Cooperative wholesale stores started in the year 1863. Question number 28. Allahabad Bank started in the year. Answer 1865. Allahabad Bank started in the year 1865. 29. Cooperative law formed in America. Answer 1865. Question number 30. Popular Bank in Italy. Answer 1866. Popular Bank in Italy, 1866. Question number 31. Grange movement started. Answer 1867. Grange movement started 1867. Question number 32. Cooperative movement in France. Answer 1868. Cooperative movement in France, 1868. Question number 33. Cooperative movement in Canada. Answer 1870. Cooperative movement in Canada, 1870. Question number 34. Indian Contract Act. Answer 1872. Indian Contract Act. Answer 1872. Question number 35. Indian Evidence Act. Answer 1872. Indian Evidence Act, 1872. Question number 36. Deccan Diet. Answer 1874. Question number 37. Indian Majority Act. Answer 1875. Indian Majority Act. Answer 1875. Question number 38. Bombay Stock Exchange started in the year. Answer 1875. Bombay Stock Exchange started in the year. Answer 1875. Question number 39. Refusal Union established. Answer 1877. Refusal Union established 1877. Question number 40. First consumer stores in Japan. Answer 1879. First consumer stores in Japan. Answer 1879. Question number 41. First collective farm in Russia. Answer 1879. First collective farm in Russia. Answer 1879. Question number 42. Deccan Agriculture Relief Act. Answer 1879. Deccan Agriculture Relief Act. Answer 1879. Question number 43. Indian Negotiable Instrument Act. Answer 1881. Indian Negotiable Instrument Act. Answer 1881. Question number 44. South Bank was formed in. Answer 1881. Question number 45. Cooperation began in Denmark. Answer 1882. Cooperation began in Denmark 1882. Question number 46. Transfer of Properties Act. Answer 1882. Transfer of Properties Act 1882. Question number 47. Bill of Exchange Act. Answer 1882. Bill of Exchange Act 1882. Question number 48. Indian Trust Act. Answer 1882. Indian Trust Act. Answer 1882. Question number 49. Land Improvement Act. Answer 1883. Land Improvement Act 1883. Question number 15. Casi Rurali established in Italy. Answer 1883. Casi Rurali established in Italy. Answer 1883. Question number 50. Agriculture Loan Act. Answer 1884. Agriculture Loan Act 1884. Question number 51. First consumer store in Denmark. Answer 1886. First consumer store in Denmark. Answer 1886. Question number 52. Charitable Endorsement Act. Answer 1890. Charitable Endorsement Act 1890. Question number 53. Indian Bankers Book Evidence Act. Answer 1891. Indian Bankers Book Evidence Act 1891. Question number 54. Appointment of Frederick Nicholson Committee. Answer 1892. The appointment of Frederick Nicholson Committee 1892. Question number 55. Punjab National Bank started in the year. Answer 1894. Punjab National Bank started in the year 1894. Question number 56. ICA formed in Answer August 18th, 1895. ICA formed in August 18th, 1895. Question number 57. Poultry Society in Denmark. Answer 1895. Poultry Society in Denmark 1895. Question number 58. FDB formed in Denmark. Answer 1896. FDB formed in Denmark 1896. Question number 59. GOLT Act was passed in Italy. Answer 1898. GOLT Act was passed in Italy 1898. Question number 60. Indian Stamp Act. Answer 1899. Indian Stamp Act 1899. Question number 61. German cooperative law passed in Answer 1899. German cooperative law passed in 1899. Question number 62. Nedangadi Bank formed. Answer 1899. Nedangadi Bank formed 1899. Question number 63. Cooperative Forwarding established in Sweden. Answer 1899. Question number 64. Industrial Societies Act enacted in Japan. Answer 1900. Industrial Societies Act enacted in Japan 1900. Question number 65. People's Banks of Northern India. Book written by Duplanix India. Answer 1900. People's Banks of Northern India. The book written by Duplanix India 1900. Question number 66. Edward Law Committee appointed. Answer 1901. Edward Law Committee appointed 1901. Question number 67. Femine Commission in the year. Answer 1901. Femine Commission in the year 1901. Question number 68. Indian Cooperative Credit Societies Act. Answer 1904. Indian Cooperative Credit Societies Act 1904. Question number 69. Kanjivaram Cooperative Bank in Madras started in the year. Answer 1904. Kanjivaram Cooperative Bank started in the year 1904. Question number 70. Triplicate Urban Cooperative Societies Act. Answer 1905. Triplicate Urban Cooperative Societies Act 1905. Question number 71. Saraswat Housing Society started in the year. Answer 1905. Saraswat Housing Society started in the year 1905. Question number 72. Bank of India started in the year. Answer 1906. Bank of India started in the year 1906. Question number 73. Indian Coinage Act. Answer 1906. Indian Coinage Act 1906. Question number 74. Indian Bank Act. Answer 1907. Indian Bank Act 1907. Question number 75. Indian Registration Act. Answer 1908. Indian Registration Act 1908. Question number 76. Civil Procedure Code Act. Answer 1908. Indian Civil Procedure Code Act 1908. Question number 77. Central Bank of India started. Answer 1911. Central Bank of India started 1911. Question number 78. Indian Cooperative Societies Act. Answer 1912. Indian Cooperative Societies Act 1912. Question number 79. Cooperative movement started in China. Answer 1912. Cooperative movement started in China 1912. Question number 80. First Indian Life Insurance Companies Act passed. Answer 1912. First Indian Life Insurance Companies Act passed 1912. Question number 81. Federal Reserve System in USA. Answer 1930. The Federal Reserve System in USA 1930. Question number 82. Cochin Cooperative Societies Act. Answer 1930. Cochin Cooperative Societies Act 1930. Question number 83. First Cooperative Dairy Society in India started in the year. Answer 1930. The first Cooperative Dairy Society started in India 1930. Question number 84. McLagan Committee appointed. Answer 1940. McLagan Committee appointed 1940. Question number 85. Travancore Cooperative Societies Act. Answer 1914. Travancore Cooperative Societies Act 1940. Question number 86. Trivandrum Central Cooperative Bank started in the year. Answer 23rd November 1915. Question number 87. McLagan Committee report. Answer 1915. McLagan Committee report 1915. Question number 88. First Marketing Society started in the year. Answer 1915. First Marketing Society started in the year 1915. Question number 89. First cooperative cotton mill. Answer 1917. First cooperative cotton mill 1917. Question number 19. The Cochin Central Land Mortgage Bank started at Thrissur. Answer 1980. The Cochin Central Land Mortgage Bank started at Thrissur. 1980. Question number 91. Montagu-Chiswold Act. Answer 1990. Montagu-Chiswold Act 1990. Question number 92. First land mortgage bank started in India. Answer 1920. The first land mortgage bank started in India 1920. Question number 93. Cooperative movement started in Israel. Answer 1920. The cooperative movement started in Israel 1920. Question number 94. Cooperative flag designed. Answer 1921. Cooperative flag designed 1921. Question number 95. Imperial Bank of India. Answer 1921. Question number 96. First International Cooperative Day celebrated. Answer 1923. First International Cooperative Day celebrated 1923. Question number 97. Bombay Provincial Cooperative Societies Act. Answer 1925. Bombay Provincial Cooperative Societies Act 1925. Question number 98. Hitton and Commission appointed for formation of RBI. Answer 1926. Hittoning Commission appointed for formation of RBI. Answer 1926. Question number 99. Royal Commission of Agriculture appointed. Answer 1927. Royal Commission on Agricultural appointed 1927. Question number 100. 1000 Committee appointed. Answer 1928. 1000 Committee appointed 1928.